What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 269. Hope you've had a good week. It's the weekend now. So what are we tasting? I've got a whole bunch of stuff that I've tasted before, but never on the show. So this week is I have another week of I haven't tasted this before. And so let's kick it off. The Longboard Akvavit from Long Table. I am shocked that I haven't tasted this before on the show. No, obviously I've tasted it over years and years and years, but pot stilled, super licorice forward, caraway, fennel, anise, and Seville oranges. Oh, you get the Seville oranges for sure. This was one of the very first Akvavits that came out in BC. I think second only to Okanagan Spirits. So one of the old school ones. Huge licorice bomb. The caraway, the fennel, the licorice. It is a massive licorice bomb. But you do get the Seville oranges in there for sure. You get that really bright, nice citrus note. Yeah, just as I remember it. Massive licorice on the palate. Caraway is really nice, but licorice in different forms. The fennel, the licorice, the caraway, these all different forms of anise throughout the whole flavor profile, and then that massive whack of Seville orange at the very end. Really good Akvavit. Very different to a lot of the other ones that we have in BC, whether it be the Akvavitas from Okanagan Spirits or the Akvavit from Sheringham, which you know is near and dear to my heart. Very different, but very boom, gets you there right there at the start. Fantastic little one to try out. Honestly, if you're getting into Akvavit or you like doing that sort of thing, do a parallel tasting. Get it like 3 or 4 bottles with your friends. Get some macro brands because there's I think about a dozen different Akvavits in the province right now that I think is really something that you should really try out. Usually served chilled in the freezer, pour neat, and away you go. But 269, the Long Table, Langboard Akvavit from Vancouver. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.